What's the meaning of congenial? Congenial. Congenial.
Congenial. Congenial. The term congenial refers to something or someone that is pleasant and enjoyable to be around or work with. It can also describe a situation where people have similar interests, personalities, or temperaments that make them comfortable and compatible with one another. The word can be applied to various aspects of life, such as relationships, work environments, or hobbies. Overall, congenial denotes a sense of harmony, ease, and like-mindedness between individuals or things.